Ugh. Okay, so what am I doing? So basically I wanted to do my makeup today and just get ready for honestly no reason, because I'm kind of, okay, so you know when it's that time of the month and you just have an ugly week where you're just like ugly? I mean, you probably don't look different than any other week, but you just feel ugly. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe that's just me. But I thought that it would be fun, since I'm just gonna be home, just to do my makeup to feel cool and fun. So I'm using a new makeup palette. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow. And it smells like sunscreen, so that's fun. I've been playing with that new palette, and I'm also gonna be doing like a Euphoria inspired look. I know Euphoria was like last summer. Everyone's probably over it by now. I'm not gonna do anything that dramatic just because it's not very me, but I'm gonna do something like inspired by it. So let's have some fun. Okay, I'm gonna start with setting spray. Oh, I really hope Euphoria comes out with another season because it was really good. Did you guys like it? And then also this last semester, Arthur and I were obsessed with Downton Abbey. Here's the thing about Downton Abbey is that our moms and dads, both of them, were telling us to watch it because they were both obsessed like years ago, and they watched the whole thing and it was like this big ordeal. You know what? I was like, don't hype it up that much. It's not a big deal. They were like, no, like it's amazing. You're gonna love it. We didn't really believe them at all, like literally at all. But then last semester we got bored and we're like, you know what? Let's just watch it. Let's watch one episode. If we hate it, we never have to watch it again. We were hooked. You just become so invested in like the characters' lives and like what they're all going through, and you're like, oh my gosh, like this is so good. Where did my foundation go? I really want to try that L'Oreal foundation that everyone on TikTok is obsessed with, but I have no money. But when I get money, I am trying it. I want to get the L'Oreal foundation, and I want the Revlon, is it Revlon? I think it's Revlon, like the Revlon hair blow drying like wand. If that thing works for my hair, that would literally be a miracle. I feel like it's the one like hair tool I would actually use because I never do my hair. It takes so much time. Anywho, I just put on Glossier Dusk, their cloud paint. I love it. I use it as like kind of both a bronzer and a blush. And now I'm going to top it over with my Milk blush. So that's more of a nude shade, as you can see. And then so I'm gonna put this on the apples. This stuff smells so good. And I'm also bringing it onto my nose. Okay. But I feel like if I had that, like going back and forth, but I feel like if I had that Revlon, like that Revlon thing, I think every time I would shower, I would just do that. My hair would be like a luscious blowout like every day. And I think that would help my game a lot. I feel like TikTok has given me like a lot of inspiration because people look so cute on it all the time, and they have always like interesting makeup looks and like new hairstyle ideas and all this stuff, and I'm like, I should try these things. From when I was a little kid until 8th grade, I loved makeup. And like in high school, I did my makeup every day. And I think the problem was I got to a point where I didn't like my face without makeup. And I really struggled with like acne when I was in high school. And I was like the only one. My friends had like such nice skin. And I was like an acne mess. You know, when you have acne in high school, you cover it up. And so I did makeup every day. And then I started to really hate like my face without it. And that scared me. And so I stopped wearing a lot of makeup. And I think once you stop, it's kind of hard to get back into because you're like afraid of going into that mindset again of being like, ugh. I'm just trying to keep my mindset that like it's just fun. Doing your makeup is just fun, and that's the beauty of it. I feel like my eyebrows look orange. Why is that happening? So if you're like me and you like originally got into makeup for fun and then it turned into like an insecurity thing, and you're like now like, oh, I'm not that girl that wears makeup, like that's just not me. You know what? Let's have some fun, ladies. Let's experiment, not care what anyone thinks. Know that we are beautiful no matter what. Okay, that's the end of my TED Talk. That's quite enough of that. I feel like when you get to this point in your makeup where you have your eyebrows done and your face done, but like nothing on your eyes, you just look a little crazy. Most of my base is done. I'm just gonna leave that be for a moment. And I'm gonna take some tape. I'm gonna play with some liner because, you know, Euphoria. My non-makeup artist tip for doing tape. My tip for tape is to follow this line of your eye. Like my eye goes whoop, so follow that. Whoop, follow that. What I'm gonna do, oh boy. First, I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. I'm gonna go in with a very neutral crease color, lightly, just to add some depth. Also, this is not a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. All right, now I'm gonna try to have some fun. Oh wow, this really needs to be sharpened. So I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm just gonna be putting it like on, why am I talking like I have something in my mouth? I'm gonna be putting it, oh my gosh, on my upper lash line and bringing it out to like here. Like that. Now I'm gonna do it on the other one. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm gonna go in with my butter palette. I'm gonna take that neutral shade. I'm gonna go back and again in the crease. And then I'm gonna add another little bit of this just on the outside part. And I'm gonna blend it in. Here's where it's gonna get interesting. I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush like this, and I'm gonna dip into that really pretty blue shade. There's a lot of fallout with this shade, so I'm gonna actually add some Milani spray, and I'm gonna try to make a wing. I did both eyes. So now I'm gonna take off, wait, actually I feel like I should spray to set. Oh my god, I feel like that looks really cool. Okay, I'm gonna like tap with my sponge where that tape was in case like all that makeup's gone. Probably should not have done my face first, but whatever. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna add Rusty color, that one right there, on my lower lash line because that's a very complementary shade to like the teal color I chose. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Ah, I feel like it looks cool, right? Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun. Okay, both eyes are done. I'm gonna go in with this little domey brush, and I'm gonna go in with a light creamy shade. I'm gonna pat it under my brow, and I'm gonna go in my inner corner. I might add a little more depth with the same like neutral shade, right like in the center, you know what I mean? So it's like, oh, my eyes are so deep. It's amazing what mascara will do. It's truly amazing. I kinda wanna mess around and give myself a haircut. I've been so freaking bored with my hair lately. Like I wanna dye it really, really, really bad. Okay, should I leave my bottom lashes like not done? I feel like I should add liner to my tight line. 1 second. My leg is so asleep, it's funny. Okay, I'm adding brown liner to my tight line. Ooh. Ow. Ow. Now the question of the hour is, should I put mascara under on my lower lashes? I feel like I should. Like I always do, you know what I mean? Like, so I feel like it's not complete if I don't have it.
It's pretty.
You like it?
Yeah, it's cute.
It's Euphoria inspired.
Oh, like the show?
Yeah. Can you feel that vibe?
Sure.
Okay, I'm glad I did it. I'm glad. I want like a more shimmery shade on my inner corner, so I'm gonna take the color Kitten from Stila in the light palette. It's like their famous shade. Amaze balls. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna go in with this liner. This is shade Rose from NYX. Okay, these lips don't match my eyeballs. No. I'm gonna line it again. I'm gonna add a little bit of nude. Okay, using this gloss. This is the NYX Glam lip gloss in the shade VIP. Okay, I feel like that's good. I feel like my eyes need more. I'm gonna go in with a bronzing shade. Now I need to add just a tiny bit. Last but not least, I'm gonna add a gold highlight. That's the makeup. Okay, let's put on an outfit. I'm dressed. Let's take some photos.